BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems. With 7 megacities projected by 2030, city skylines continue to rise, redefining modern architecture. This rapid growth demands innovative solutions that prioritize safety, efficiency, and reliability in fire protection systems. As buildings become more complex, the choice of fire protection technology becomes increasingly critical. Construction companies today face significant challenges with traditional GI pipe systems. Handling, welding, and finishing metal can be time-consuming. Installation is complex and requires the expertise of skilled welders and fitters. The heavy material leads to higher transportation costs. Frequent maintenance is needed due to rusting and corrosion. Additionally, the reliance on unreliably sourced fittings can affect quality consistency. BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems represent the next generation of fire safety technology, delivering superior performance and installation efficiency for today's construction needs. BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems are UL listed, NSF certified and approved by BIS and local fire authorities, meeting the highest global standards in fire protection. Construction companies in India have approved and started using BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems in their current and upcoming projects. One such project is Avante, a high-rise residential development in Mumbai. The construction professionals there approved and installed BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems, showcasing its numerous advantages in real-world applications.
CPVC is a UL approved product, whereas GI is a regular product. One major benefit we found while using this product, since it has a corrosion free life compared to GI. CPVC has a higher C factor with better hydraulics. This product is a very lightweight, so easy for transportation and easy for installation. The major benefit I found, it saves the time for the project completion, and major point is it nullifies the dependency during the workmanship.
BlazeMaster CPVC सिस्टम मध्ये मटेरियल मूवमेंट खूप इझी झालेला आहे. GI सिस्टम मध्ये आम्ही वेल्डिंग वगैरे करत होतो, त्याच्यात खूप टाइम कंझ्युम होत होता, परत ते टेस्टिंगसाठी पण त्याला वेळ लागायचा. आता BlazeMaster CPVC सिस्टम मध्ये मटेरियल इन्स्टॉलेशन खूप इझी आहे. त्याच्यात कोल्ड सॉल्व्हेंट जॉईंट यूज होतात, त्याच्यामुळे टेस्टिंगचा टाइम वाचतो आणि इन्स्टॉलेशनचा सुद्धा.
While using CPVC pipes in firefighting system, we have almost saved 15 to 20% cost in firefighting system.
Trusted worldwide in residential, commercial, healthcare, and institutional buildings, BlazeMaster Fire Protection Systems ensures long-term reliability with minimal maintenance and lower costs. Certified professionals guarantee precision, durability, and full warranty protection. Backed by Lubrizol Corporation's 60 years of CPVC expertise, BlazeMaster delivers uncompromising fire protection performance than any other fire sprinkler system. Choose the professional choice in fire protection.